So before we go and create our new campaign, I have to tell you something which is very important and you should really use it and before creating your campaign since it's very important. So you will go to business.facebook.com, business.facebook.com, and this window it's going to show up. So you will have an option to create a business account. In my case, I have already created some of my accounts, so I'm going to choose either one of them. I'm choosing this one. So click business manager, and then click add manager. And in the ad manager, it's the place where we're going to create our campaign that contain ad sets, and each ad set will contain ads. But before go and click create, we first should go and click audience insights. Let me show you first of all this site. So this site, it's of course a Shopify store that it sells some food for animal, and we're going to pretend that this website, it's our website, and we're selling this product in our website, and we want to drive visitors to go and click buy. What we're going to do first, we're going to click audience insights, and click everyone on Facebook. So for example, I want to target people who live in the United States, and it's already checked right here, the location, United States, and the age. I want to target people from 21 to 56, and gender, of course, both, and interests. I want to target only people who they love cats. So hobbies and activities, and pets and cats. And as you can see, the democracy right here, it says that 63% of women, they prefer the cats, while only 37% of men, they prefer cats. So of course, when targeting, I'm going to target women, and of course men's too, because there's also an important number of men who likes cats. And I'm also only targeting people from 25 to 54. And if we click on the pages likes, most of these people who like cats, they like other pages, like for furniture, IKEA, and for actors, Chris, and for house suppliers, duct tape, and Netflix, as well as other food and drink companies. And locations, so most of these people are from Texas. So now I know that most of the people in the United States who love cats, they are from Texas and Pennsylvania and California. And let's see their activities. So most of them, they use mobile only, their mobile phone, and 53% of them, they use their iPhone or iPad, and 45% of them, they use their Android, and only 1% or less, they use other unknown devices like BlackBerry. So now I have important information to target people from Texas and California and their gender. I'm going to target both men and women, and and also I'm going to target people who are married as well as single and in relationship. And also I'm going to target people who their job title is in food and restaurants. So basically what I'm trying to say is audience insight is a place where it already shows you some more information about the audiences and the people that you're trying to target. So it gives you more information to already take it and give it to Facebook once again and for a better and amazing results.